Agam Bhagavan. I am going to discuss about conglomerates of Reliance Industry. So as we know, in Asia, Reliance Industry have the largest conglomerates. It has many conglomerates like Reliance Digital, Reliance Telecommunication, Reliance Petrochemicals. Apart from this, there are many other conglomerates which are Embibe, GeoMoney and Reliance Life Sciences. Embibe is an educational technology which is similar as Byju's and Unacademy. It was acquired by Reliance Industries in 2018. Next is GeoMoney. GeoMoney is a digital wallet and payment services owned by Reliance Industries. It allows users to make payment for variety of services. It's similar as Google Pay and Paytm, as well as they are competitor for the GeoMoney. Next, Reliance Life Sciences by Reliance Industries that focuses on research and development in the fields of pharmaceuticals, biotechnology and medical devices. Thank you.
The company Reliance is currently 65 years old and the founder is Dheeraj Lal Harichand Ambani. After completing his 10th class, he landed to Yemen and he started to work in a petrol station of Besse and Company. He found that the coins of Aden were made up of silvers, so he collected them and melted them. Later he sold the meltings to the people and earned a good profit. In 1958 he came back to Mumbai with a strong desire of starting Reliance. He utilized the money which he earned from silver coins and started trading in yarn and spices. He was the first person to bring the people of India to the Bombay Stock Exchange, and soon he began to expand his territory all over the nation. And the company Reliance, and today the company Reliance is the largest company in India, covering petrochemicals, fashion, technology, telecom, and many more. Currently, Reliance Industry is ruled by Mukesh Ambani. He is also the richest person in India. And this was the tale of Reliance.
Good afternoon, my name is Pooja and I am here to tell about the Reliance company. It was founded by Dhirubhai Ambani in 19... Good afternoon everyone, my name is Pooja and I am here to tell about Reliance company. It was founded by Dhirubhai Ambani in 1958 in Maharashtra. After the death of Dhirubhai Ambani, the company was divided into two members. The Reliance Industry Limited headed by Mukesh Ambani and the Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Group was by Anil Ambani. Then the Mukesh Ambani was elected as CEO and the Anil Ambani was elected as chairperson. Reliance Jio was founded in the year of 2007 by Mukesh Ambani. I am interested to tell about Jio Payment Bank. In India, Jio Payment Bank, which he started operating in 2018, it is a subsidiary of Jio Platform, which is owned by Reliance. The ownership is 70% of Reliance Industry and State Bank of India holds 30%. The headquarters is in Navi Mumbai, India. Jio International roaming services is available in 120 plus countries. Thousands of Reliance Smarts Point are planning to advance the Jio Payment Bank's area within next 2 years. These payments banks are restricted for deposits which are currently limited to 2 lakh per customer. These banks cannot be issued loans and credits, and the banks must term the name payment bank after the name so that it can be differentiated by different types of banks. The features of the Jio Payment Bank: no minimum balance is required. Like other banks, there is no minimum balance must be required, and there will be no deduction or negative balance in the bank if there is no minimum balance. And work with any telecom cooperator. There is no need of we should have a Jio mobile number to create an account in have an account in the Jio Payment Banks. Quick account opening. It is very easy to open a Jio Bank account, and all the formalities are done digital in 5 minutes. The whole process is digital and 100% paperless. Paperless transaction. Not only account opening, the whole process and payments and bills are also done only digitally And if we have any nearest Geo payment bank, then we can visit there. 70,000 outlets across India. The digital platform, the Geo payment bank would have 70,000 outlets, industries in overall India and work as small banks. No penalties for dormant account. If the account is not running for 2 years, then the accounts are
Doormat.
The Geo payment banks does not charge any fees to reactivate the dormant account. Recharge and pay bills. The Geo payment app, which gives the facility of digital payments, also facility of recharge your mobile. The higher interest rate. There is the expectation of getting highest interest in this bank saving account rather than other accounts. Offer and discounts. The Geo mobile customers would have maximum benefits of having account in this bank and in the Reliance retail stores. Invest and loans. These banks doesn't have any right to give loans and open a deposit account with their customers. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Anjali. I'm going to say the business history of the Reliance company. This business is started by Dhirubhai Ambani and her cousin Champaklal Dadhamani in 1958 at Maharashtra under Reliance Commercial Corporation. Some reasons they divided the business in 1965. Then the Dhirubhai Ambani is death of the Dhirubhai Ambani. The business is again divided into two parts. One part is given to the Mukesh Ambani named by Reliance Industry Limited, and another part is given to Anil Ambani named Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group. Mukesh Ambani's various enterprises. I will only tell 7. Refining sector. First one is refining sector, then textile sector, petroleum sector, oil and gas sector, infrastructure, EDT sector, software as a service. SaaS is called as a SaaS sector. First one is refining sector. There is no any one company. It is a core sector of the Reliance company. And next is textile sector. They will handle only one company, that is Vimal. And next is the petroleum sector, that is also a core sector of the Reliance company. Next, 4th place goes to oil and gas sector. This is also a core sector of the Reliance company. In 5th place goes to infra sector. This is not a limited. This is only they handling 2 projects. One is Model Economic Township. That is a subsidiary company of the Reliance. And another is Mega City in Navi Mumbai. This is not only, this is started working. They hire to Singapore construction company to make a Mumbai to Singapore. So this is also a dream of the Dhirubhai Ambani. And next, 6th place goes to EDT sector. This is related to students because they provide the information of the education. First is Geo University. It is also not started. They will only construct the building, and it may be a first place goes to, because this is very big university. And 7th place goes to SaaS, that is software as a service. There is a 6 business they were handling. 6th place goes to Career Expert. 5th place goes to Sankhya Sutra Labs, and 4th place goes to EasyCom. 3rd place goes to Haptic Service. This is only provide service information to other business like HDFC Lives, Ola, Urban, Coca-Cola, Zomato, Samsung and other sector business. They were providing the information and service also. 2nd place goes to Rhodes. 1st place is Service Language Teach Limited.
Good afternoon, my name is Sangeeta. Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate headquarters in Mumbai. It was set up on 1958 by Dhirubhai Ambani. The segment of the company includes textile, retail, business and special economic zone development. In the year 1966, the Reliance Industries Limited was founded by Shri Dhirubhai Ambani. It was started as a small textile manufacturer unit. In May 8, 1973, Reliance Industry Limited was incorporated and confirmed their name as Reliance Industries Limited in the year 1985. Reliance Industries Limited is a Fortune 500 company and the largest private sector corporation in India. At present, Mukesh Ambani is the chairman and managing director Reliance Industries Limited. As the business run by the Reliance Industries Limited are Reliance Retail, Jio Platform, Alok Industries, etc.
Hello everyone, myself Radhika Maliwal. Today I am here to share the information about Reliance Company. Reliance Industries Limited is an Indian multinational conglomerate headquartered in Mumbai. Reliance Commercial Corporation was set up in 1958 by Dhirubhai Ambani. In 1985, the name of the company was changed from Reliance Textile Industries Limited. Reliance is the largest public company in India by the market capitalization and revenue and the 100th largest company worldwide. It is India's largest private taxpayer and the largest exporter, accounting for 7% of India's total merchandise exports. Reliance net worth is 17.60 lakh crore INR. In terms of market capitalization, Reliance Industries is the number one company in India and also it is the number one richest company with the highest net worth in India. Major companies of the Reliance are Reliance Gas, Reliance Petroleum Retail, Reliance Aviation, Reliance Retail, Reliance Fresh, Reliance Super, Reliance Smart, Reliance Market, Reliance Digital Express, Reliance Digital Express Mini, iStore, Reliance Rest, Reliance Jewels, Reliance Trends, Reliance Footprint, Jio. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Aman Handgi. I am here to share about the unknown companies owned by Mukesh Ambani. Just Dial. This company comes under service sector. Milk Basket. It is a D2C, direct to consumer, food essentials. Unzo, service sector. Urban Ladder, home appliances. Book My Show, entertainment. Hathway, media and entertainment. Den, network 18, media and entertainment. Reliance Jewels, it's about jewelries and groceries. Reliance Industries Infrastructure Limited, only Vimal, it's clothing. Money Control, share market report. Jio Studios Entertainment, Colors Entertainment, Nick Entertainment, Netmeds, it's pharma. Recon Chemical Industries, Jio Savan, it's again an entertainment field. Jio Payment Bank, it's online payment. And Mukesh Ambani is a brilliant businessman. He owned many companies like this. We can't even list out it. So here are some companies which I searched and collected the information. Thank you.
Myself is Sakshi Bendre. I am told as information of Reliance Limited. This business is started by Dhirubhai Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani, it is introduced on 1958 under Reliance Commercial in 1956 at 6th July 2002. Dhirubhai Ambani divided, so the business is divided by two parts. One part is given by Mukesh Ambani, namely Reliance Limited, and another limited is given Anil named to Reliance. Anil Dhirubhai Ambani was a group. Mukesh Ambani was started so many businesses. There are Reliance sector, textile sector, oil and gas sector, infrastructure, software service, hotel chain, telecom, retail, e-commerce, digital service, media services. Under the sectors are networks divided in two types, TV and web. TV is divided so many sectors, IBN, ETV, ATL, H, telecom. Digital services are three companies. Den Network is limited, started on October 2018. Reliance purchased on 66% on 78.62%. Jio Savan started was 2007. ALT Bala Joan 27%. E-commerce sectors are 7 companies. There are Jio.com, No Factors, Netcomd, Just JioMart started was December 2. Retail sectors are 7 companies. There are Reliance Fresh. There was started on 2007. Reliance Traders, Reliance Footprint, Reliance Digital. Telecom sector is 1 company. There is Reliance Jio Income Limited. Hotel chain sector was hotel chain sector East Indian Hotel Limited. SAS are 6 companies. There are Scanal Easy provided to HDF Life OLA under Coca-Cola Zomato services. ED Teach sector was 2 companies. Geo University and Embase. There is 72.69%. Infrastructures, 2 projects. Model Economic Township, Mega City in Navi Mumbai. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to everyone. My name is Anita and I am from First View. So here I am talking about Reliance Company. Reliance Company is totally head by the Dhirubhai Ambani, and his father was not so rich. He was just working in the high school as a teacher. Reliance Company Corporation, which is the first business, was set up in 1958 by Dhirubhai Ambani as a small venture firm trending the commodities, especially species and polyesters. Reliance Industries Limited is today's India's largest business in accounts for more than 3% of country's whole GDP. Reliance has dominated the business landscape and country stock markets for over 2 decades. In 1965, the partnership ended. Dhirubhai Ambani continued the polyester business of the firm. Reliance Textile Industry Limited was now government company incorporated by 18th May 1973. In 1985, changed the name as company name Reliance Industry Limited. Actually, Reliance Industry Limited was started in 1990. It came in oil industries and it never turned back. It became a profitable and a popular company. And end of the 1995, the Reliance started the Technology Private Limited had started. In 2000, the Industry Limited also set up a world classic India Institute of Information Technology for students in India. In 2002, the Dhirubhai Ambani had hand over the control of Reliance Industry to his sons Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani. And some business of Reliance Retail, Reliance Life Science, Reliance Institute of Life Science, Reliance Clinic Research Service, Reliance Solar, Reliance Jio Limited, and some others. So here I am interested to tell about Reliance Institute of Life Science because it's all about how they help for the students in learning and about technology also. Reliance Life Science is a part of a prominent group of Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Life of Science has launched a few world's first biosimilar, has the largest number of the biosimilars in the market in India and the highest number of the biosimilars under development globally. It has a distinction of being a first integrated manufacturer of plasma protein in South Asia. Reliance Life Sciences has catalyzed the emergence of regenerative medicine in India. Country and has the highest experience with the cord blood stem cells transplants in India. RLS is one of the few centers in the world offering a specialized range of tests in molecular medicine and molecular genetics. Constant with diversity and the department of Reliance Life Science has professional team comprising substitutely and PhDs, MDs, engineers and postgraduates in science. The average age of the Reliance lifespan is team of 35 years and 22% are employees are women. Women's. Reliance Institute of Life Science is a not-for-profit organization focusing development of biotechnology for Reliance Life Science, but also the Industries Institute offer a wide range of competency development program and diploma programs in clinic research. And I will end about Reliance company by saying a good thought: money is not good for nothing unless you know the value of it by experience. Thank you.